ako. Ang taas?
Kaya mo yan.
Sabay mo ako, hindi ko alam yung tono eh.
Get to memorize anyway. It was afternoon in December. Kaya mo yan.
Hindi ko alam nga.
Yan na.
But you didn't say hi, 'cause I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 12:04. And I thought my feelings were cold, but I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again, and the moon shines on. But I gotta try these tears tonight, 'cause you're moving on, and I'm not strong to walk on.
Ay, alam akong kanta niya Constantino. Yeg. Yeg.
Then I saw with her, didn't think you'd find,
Tama ba?
and the world just seemed to crash. Shouldn't have thought, so maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life.